Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So today's video is going to be super helpful because in this video I am going to talk about how you can learn English with no pressure. Means you can learn English by fun, right? This means you are able to enjoy the process of learning English and becoming fluent in English as I am, right? Means you guys know learning English is a process, right? Learning English is a process, so that means it will take time, right? So that is why guys, actually in this video I am going to share some of my key strategy or the technique that I follow, or that's through I learn English. And as you guys know, I am learning English continuously without any, yeah, maybe I skip some days to upload videos on my channel, but I try my best to consistent on it, right? But yes, I enjoy the process of learning English, right? And if you are also want to become fluent in English and want to learn English with no pressure, then this video is so crucial for you guys, for especially who are at this initial phase, right? Okay, so I want you to please keep on watching and share some of my tips that can help you in your English learning journey. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, here I would say guys, fluency is not about the number of words you know, right? It's about expressing yourself fluently and confidently, and that is called fluent speaker, right? That is called fluency. But here the question is how you can gain this much fluency so that you also can, yeah, explain how you are learning English, right? As I am explaining right now. Okay, so for this I highly recommend, as I always say, that choose some specific channel, right? Yeah, choose some specific channel that can help you a lot, or choose some a few channel whom you want to speak like, right? For example, if you guys want to speak like me, then you have to watch my every single video without even thinking about my thumbnail, right? Yeah, at least one time you have to watch my every single video, but otherwise you have to watch multiple times, right? Because your goal is to speak like me. So that is why as a teacher you have to consider me, and then you have to watch and even read sometimes, and even you have to write, right? Yeah, means everything you have to do mostly from my channel, right, than others, because your goal is to become fluent like me, right? So here you might have a question, Nakul, what channel you follow? Guys, here I do not want to name, but in other video I have told you, right, multiple times. So here I would say, as I told you, just you have to follow one or two channel, right? And the channel whom you want to speak like, right? So yeah, this kind of one or two channel you have to watch rather than others, right? But you have to watch every YouTuber, but in the perspective of learning English, you should watch 2 or 3 channel at least. But why it is important to follow one or two specific channel? Guys, from my perspective, I would say mostly I follow these days, like I watch Veronica Language Diaries channel, right? So her videos I watch multiple times, and even everything I do, right? Whatever I have to do, like reading and shadowing her accent, right, while speaking, I also try to mimic her accent and try to shadow multiple times with. And also, if you guys watch her videos, so you know my accent is similar to her, right? So overall here I would say guys, if you watch a specific channel or watching her or him videos multiple times, right, so you catch the sound and you know the style of her speaking, right? So that's how you catch or you learn words or phrases fast, right, rather than just watching some random videos, right? So इसलिए try to watch one or two specific channel and watch her videos multiple times, so that you also can hear, yeah, you can hear properly. And if you hear properly, then while speaking you also can speak the word confidently, because you have heard this word or phrases multiple times, right? So that is the benefit of watching a specific channel, right? So this is why first technique is to watch a specific channel, minimum 1 or 2 if I talk about me. So do you talk about my tip number 2, but the method I had to speak in the first, but I have forgot, right? So that is why I am going to share this tip in the second page, right? Yeah, in the second part. Yes, and the tip number 2 is, guys, it is necessary to know about little bit grammar, because by the way, why it is, you might have a question here, why it is important to know about grammar? Because there are lots of teachers on YouTube who says you can learn English, or I can make you fluent in English without learning grammar, right? Yeah, that's true, but दैट्स ट्रू मीन्स ये चीज़ उसी के लिए सही है अगर वहाँ पे उसका इन्वायरमेंट है तो, बट अदरवाइज इफ़ यू गाइस डोंट हैव एनी इन्वायरमेंट लाइक मी, देन यू हैव to do what I ask you to do. As a villager guy, it is necessary to know about at least grammar a little bit, because here I want to explain why it is important. मान लो यहाँ पर I am saying, guys, today in this video I am going to share some of the tips. अगर यहाँ पे मैंने गलती से भी टिप कह दिया तो ये गलत हो गया, तो यहाँ पे ये ग्रामर का ही एक पार्ट है, राइट? और एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ जिससे कि आपको मैं अच्छी तरीके से समझा पाऊँ. एंड दूसरा एग्जांपल है, टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सम ऑफ द टिप्स दैट हैज़ हेल्प मी और दैट हैव हेल्प मी. तो यहाँ पे ये बहुत बड़ा कन्फ्यूज़न है, तो यहाँ पे ये चीज़ क्लियर करने के लिए आपको ग्रामर की ज़रूरत है ही है, राइट? इसलिए, और यहाँ पे मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग कमेंट करके बताओ अगर पता है तो. मैं इसको और एक बार दोहरा देता हूँ ताकि आप कमेंट में लिख पाओ इसका सही गलत, राइट? कि क्या होगा, हैव आएगा या हैज आएगा. सो द क्वेश्चन वाज, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सम ऑफ द टेक्निक दैट हैज़ हेल्प मी या हैव हेल्प मी. आप लोग कमेंट में बताओ एंड आई विल गिव इट अ हार्ट. एंड ऑल्सो ग्रामर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इज बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू शैडो, राइट? And you guys have heard this word means shadow, right? And the technique that helped me a lot in my English speaking journey. And by the way, there are lots of English speaker who says follow shadowing technique, and even I learn English through shadowing technique, right? Means if you guys don't know about grammar, then how is it possible to translate if you are watching any object or anything? If you guys try to translate or make phrases on it, then you are not able to phrase, right? So that is why grammar is necessary here, right? For we especially villagers. Okay, so tip number 3. In the tip number 3 I want to explain, एक ही बार में 2 टिप मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताना चाहूँगा. फर्स्ट वन इज द राइटिंग स्किल इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. मीन्स इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, मीन्स आपको मैं एक चीज़ यहाँ पे बताना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप गांव से होकर के अगर आपको इंग्लिश बोलना आता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपको बोलना ही आता है, राइट? मतलब अपने आप को एक टीचर आप घोषित कर सकते हो, टीचर कंसिडर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि सिर्फ आप यहाँ पे इंग्लिश सीख ही नहीं सकते विदाउट एडवांस हिंदी का, राइट? इसीलिए मतलब होता है ना, अगर आप बाहर चला जाओ कहीं, होता है ना बड़े बड़े शहर पे, तो उसका उतना ज्ञान मत दो. Okay, so last but not the least here I would say, because I don't have sufficient time to live here because I have to do another thing, right? So that is why. And the last thing is here I want to say, guys, you have to be familiar with writing if you are not familiar with writing, right? And how this technique will help you, guys, means whatever you are learning in the day, right? Or maybe if you are going somewhere and you see, wow, there is a river and it looks pretty good, and you also see, wow, this river's water is going north, मतलब नदी का पानी बढ़ रहा है. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है तो इसको आप मोबाइल में, चाहे मोबाइल में लिखो, अदरवाइज you also can, when you reached home, right? And then you can write it down into your copy, right? So that's how means you can journal, right? This technique is also called journaling, right? With shadowing, you also have to do in the night or whenever you are free, you have to journal, right? So that you can review them later to not forget it at in fast pace, right? Yes, so if you want to keep them into your brain for a long time, so writing, or I can say journaling, is very important here, right? Yes, means this technique will help you a lot, because if you are even commuting somewhere, right, from Delhi to Bihar, so while commuting you also will think there are lots of things, right? And you will try to explain, or you will try to phrase into your brain, right? And that's when, if you are struggle to phrase those things, right, you can note it down into your phone, right? Even yes, so that's how means you can benefit from this technique, that is called journaling, right, or shadowing technique. And the last thing at the end, I would say, guys, consistency is key, right, in any sector, no matter in just, not just in English, in any sector, whatever you are doing or want to get success in it, right, then you have to be consistent. And you guys know what is consistent, by the way, already, right? Okay, so I think that's all for today. As I told you, I don't have sufficient time to making those videos, and even I am not familiar with making unnecessary video, right? Yeah, so that's all for today. If you like it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. And if you wish, you can share it with someone who are interested into learning English. So bye bye.